Nev, disappointing results. What are your thoughts after the game?
Well, exactly, Steve. You don't like losing football matches, do you? But that wasn't quite us tonight after playing so well last week and looking so compact pre-season defensively. We've probably gifted them the 4 goals tonight, which were all avoidable, you know. So not too happy on that aspect of it. You know, you look at the opposition we're playing. Cardiff Met's full time, a real strong side tonight. They played some good football, and you know, we didn't really get to grips with them. You know, but as you say, you can play at 6s and 7s and not concede the goals we conceded, and you'd still be in the game. But we never tonight. That's not really us. You know, we've defended poorly, and we paid the price for it.
So obviously, going into the second half, going to be difficult. You're 3-0 down. Do you think there was an improvement?
Well, the second half finished 1-1, didn't it? So there was an improvement. You know, we changed our shape a bit and went the 3 centre halves, and we were probably better with that shape. But as you say, the damage was done first half with the goals we conceded, and we gave a poor 4th goal away. And as you say, we probably scored the best goal of the night, and you know, we've been beat 4-1. So you know, the lads are hurting in there. They don't like getting beat, first and foremost, because we come into this game with a lot of confidence after last week. But you know, we had a few young lads out there tonight, and they'll learn from that. They'll learn by the mistakes, and that's the only way we'll get better. And you know, we'll dust ourselves down, and we'll train Tuesday, and we'll look forward to the tough game against Connaskey next Friday. So yeah, it's a disappointing night.
Will you be looking at this game and looking for positives to take from it, or is it just...
Well, we take the positives out of every game, Steve. You know, the positive tonight, we kept going. You know, the lads kept going and give 110%, and even though I can take players making mistakes, and that's what they were tonight with the goals, but the positives were that the lads kept going, and as you say, they put it in for the 90 minutes, and we got the goal, and you know, we didn't get beat second half. It was the first half that killed us, and as you say, disappointing. And the players are hurting in there. They're fully aware that, you know, we're better defenders than that, and as a team as a whole, you know, we've got to defend better. And when you're playing the teams like Cardiff Met in this league, you get punished if you don't do it right, and we've certainly been punished tonight, because, you know, fair play to Cardiff Met, they've come here and done a good job on us and looked really sharp and moved that ball around. So it was a difficult night for us, but I'm sure there'll be more of them this season, and we've got to cope with it and see where we go. And
obviously, as you said, no one likes to lose, but only second game of the season. At this point of the season, is it just game by game?
Well, when you're playing at TNS, the Cardiff Mets, and you know the Connaskeys, it's not going to determine where you finish at the end of the season with results against them. And you know, we're realistic. It's all the teams around us where we've got to go and do jobs against, and so we won't beat the players up about getting beat tonight. As you say, we'll learn from it, and hopefully we can put it behind us. And we go to Connaskey, and we'll definitely defend better up there against Connaskey next week than we done tonight, and see what we get out of that game, and then we'll move on to the Llanelli game the week after, which is our next home game. We've got to make sure we get the 3 points there first and foremost.